In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest and safest way to set up two-factor authentication on your Bank of America account so you can add an extra layer of protection without wasting time. After logging in through the official website or mobile app using your username and password, head to your profile or account settings and look for the security section where sign-in and verification options are managed. From there, you'll find the two-factor authentication or verification settings, which allow you to choose how Bank of America confirms it's really you during sign-ins or sensitive actions. You can typically select options like one-time codes sent by text message, email, or secure prompts through the app, depending on what's available on your account. Once you choose your preferred method, you'll be asked to verify it by entering a code sent to your selected device or contact detail. After confirmation, two-factor authentication becomes active and will apply automatically during future logins or high-risk activity. Keeping your contact details updated is important to avoid access issues later. Subscribe now for more quick, reliable tech security guides you can trust.